Move like I'm Batman. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So welcome back to this daily breakdown. So today just got had two break evens and one loss. Just I'm gonna run you guys through that process, what I was thinking about, and how should I use this trade, systems behind the trade, yeah, and everything like that. So stay tuned. Starting on the 4 hour. No, this is the 4 hour. Going to this day, I was bullish. Just looking for these highs. Wanted us to take out these highs, yeah. Those highs, these highs, low resistance liquidity, and going to the morning in the overnight session, we just came back down here just to test this new day opening gap here. Mark this out. Yeah, we're testing this, and after retesting this, got a change in the stage here. Yeah, got a change in the stage, sweeping those lows, sell side resisting here, changing the state. Just expecting bullish order flow, so ultimately for the day I was just bullish, looking to see prices until that high, all those highs actually dropping to the 15. And drop to 15 time frame around 10 a.m. when I got into the charts. So around this candle here, I was looking for trades below below this uh, below this 10 a.m. candle there. Because on the 4 hour, the 4 hour candle was also printing. So since I was bullish, I wanted to see trades, just trade opportunities below the opening price of the candle. I'm gonna show you on the 4 hour. Just below this, you guys can see me. So looking for this, didn't get a tap. So dropped down to 5 minutes because the price was too bullish, too much momentum. There was no sign of no sign of a pullback on the 15. So majority of the day I was just here on the 5 minutes. So go up, disrespecting this fair value gap here, open a fair value gap, try to look for a trade, no entry, no confluence to this trade to the downside. We had an SMT with ES on the hourly chart, didn't get it, entry over there. So around 11 a.m. dropped onto the 1 minute. And this was the first break-even trade here. As you guys can see here, we have this blue cap here. See? SMT. As SMT, you got a change in the state here. So everything was lining up. Then this was in line with my bullish bias. So initially didn't enter on the change in the state, waited for a retracement back to its favorite cap here. Got a tap, stop loss on this protected low. Yeah, I was aiming for 2.25, I think. 2.25, somewhere 2.7. Yeah, I was aiming for this. Would have hit take off it if I didn't break even, but you have to stick to your rules. Got an SMT tap, goes up, takes out this internal high, this high model, not gonna make a pie model until this internal high. As soon as it hit that internal high, it started going downhill. Came back to my entry. Took me out on break even. That was the first trade. Got in another trade here. I believe we had a 5 minute 5 minute change in the state. No, let me change the state. What is this? Yeah, I think it's 5 minute change in the state. If you look up. So getting that. Investors. If you look up here, got a change in the state. My entry was just here with stops on this low. At this point I had no target, it was just, 1 to 2. When we came back to my entry, created this internal high. As soon as it took out the internal high, I went break even again, and it happened again, break even. Came back. Okay, that's another trade. Same thing. It was on the 15 minute. This was actually a Tetzel swoop here. Tetzel swoop here. On the 15, as a Tetzel swoop on the 15. Changing the state, running over those page through the gaps. I got a skewed entry here. Should have waited, to be honest. Entry was here, stop loss here. Yeah. Stop loss should have been down here. And my entry should have been at this favorite gap. Because then it could have worked. Because the model is still up to this high. And this high did not reach that high. So the trade is still valid. Should have been something like this. Or even higher if you take out SD. It's too big, should have been that for my trade. And that's all for this breakdown.